In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create anchor links in Squarespace 7.1. Anchor links can be incredibly useful for guiding visitors through your website by enabling them to jump straight to specific sections of a page. This feature is particularly handy when you have long pages or want to provide quick access to important information. Let's dive into the process. First, navigate to the section of your web page that you want to serve as the destination for your anchor link. This could be any section containing important content you want to highlight. Once you've located it, click on Edit section to modify its settings. Upon clicking, a menu will appear, and if you scroll down, you'll see an option for an anchor link at the bottom of this menu. The anchor link is essentially an identifier that marks this specific section of your page as a target for navigation. Now it's time to name your anchor. Choose a name that's both descriptive and easy to remember, as this will help you later when setting up the link. After naming your anchor, click the Copy Code button positioned at the right side. This action copies a unique link that you'll use to create the anchor. Next, head over to the element you'd like to use as a trigger for the anchor link. This could be a piece of text, a button, or any interactive element on your page. Click on your chosen trigger and then click the link icon that appears. This icon usually looks like a small chain or link and is essential for applying links to elements within Squarespace. After clicking the link icon, paste the link you copied earlier into the designated link field. This connects the trigger element directly to your anchor. Once the link is pasted, make sure to save your changes and exit the editing interface. It's now time to test out your brand new anchor link. Simply click on the text or button you've linked, and you should be jumped straight to the anchored section. This seamless transition showcases how effective anchor links can be in enhancing the user experience by allowing them to access content more efficiently. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you've successfully added an anchor link using Squarespace 7.1. Anchor links are a great way to streamline navigation on your site, making it more accessible and user-friendly for your visitors. I hope this tutorial has been helpful and empowers you to better utilize your Squarespace site. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks.